Guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's me again, Benny Baldy. And in today's video, I've just come back from school. I've received something very special, and before I reveal the surprise, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And a big thank you to John Eric, my friend in the Philippines. He has a YouTube channel, and thank you for featuring me in one of your videos. And he actually featured I think 3 videos in one of his videos. So thank you to John Eric and all the other subscribers. Alright guys, let's proceed. So I got a silver award.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you.
Are you eating something?
Yeah, just got some chewing gum.
Okay.
And, if you forgot what a silver award is, I actually explained it in the video where I got my bronze award. But if you forgot it, let me explain. So, if you get 50 green slips, you'll get your silver award.
Wow. So that means then you got 50 already? Wow, congratulations.
But because there were some delays, I had to wait for 4 days. Yeah. So I actually got it 4 days ago. So. Alright, so guys, as you saw in the bronze award video, there was some writing at the back. Here it is again.
Okay.
So it says, awarded to Benedict. Well done. I'm very proud of you. And then the head teacher's name is at the bottom. Yay! Yay!
Oh.
Yay!
Well done. Congratulations again.
It just looks so cool.
Yes.
Silver.
Yes.
I'm looking forward to my gold award, which is actually 100 green slips. So I'm sure that I'll achieve it, but not too soon, because it took quite a long time to get my silver award. It will obviously take quite a long time to get my gold award. You just need to add 50 to 50, and it's 100.
Well done.
And remember guys, if you work hard and keep trying, you'll get rewarded like me. And this is an example of that lesson. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. And to celebrate this, we're going to feed the birds.
Oh.
It's like I'm getting rewarded and they're getting rewarded.
Oh.
The birds did something good.
Yeah, so they will be praying that you always get rewarded so that they will get rewarded as well. Huh?
Yeah, they'll be like, oh, please make Benedict good so he can get rewarded.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
Okay, shall we go then?
Yeah. So come, join us as we feed the birds. Let's go, guys. Oh, we need to keep this safe.
So is that all the food?
Yeah. It looks like these are chocolates, but this is actually full of bread and other things. But mostly bread. And guys, I've actually been here as well.
So we have to lock the car.
This is actually the church.
This is the back of our church.
I'm gonna be the Queen's girl. Arrived here at the place where we're going to feed the seagulls. We will feed the seagulls shortly, but just look at the view. Look at all the birds.
What's that?
That's Dover Castle.
It's Dover Castle, isn't it?
Look at the tree.
Yes. The trees don't have leaves yet because it's spring.
Spring.
so it will be
Look
having.
at that tree though.
Yeah. Look at all the birds there. Look at this tree. Look at this tree. It has. I think this is a cherry blossom. Lots of flowers.
Look at all the birds there as well.
Yeah. So they will have flowers first, Benedict, before having leaves.
So now I'm going to prepare for the feeding. Just need to find a way to open this up. Alright, let's open it up.
Louder.
Okay guys, let's start the feeding. So as you can see here, there are no birds, but we're just going to place it down so that some of the birds can come.
They're coming. Well done. Yeah, like that. And there's loads of them.
Come here, seagulls.
Are you enjoying?
Yeah. I haven't done this in so long.
Look at there's loads of them now. Look at the seagulls. It's fun, isn't it? Wait. Look at the dogs.
Yeah. Wait, where?
Yeah, them too. Them too.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh.
Ah! Ah!
It's okay. Just put it.
Oh, I have an idea.
Yeah.
Hey, stop! Here. Where's the other dog?
Stack that too already. There.
Oh.
Look at that.
Someone on the grass. You want more, guys? There you go.
And there's loads of them. So do they know why you are feeding them?
Guys, the reason why I'm feeding you is because I got my silver award, if you don't know that.
Well done.
Did
There
you
you go.
see that?
Hello.
I don't believe it. Even the ducks have come now.
Yeah. The ducks. There are two ducks actually.
Oh no.
Yeah.
What is
Yeah.
it, rice?
Yeah. It's mixed rice and oat.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
better.
Yeah.
See, the bread's no good for them.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
it's terrible.
Yeah. It's rice and
I don't
oats.
want
Yeah. So it's smaller for them, isn't it? Especially the
Yeah.
pigeons.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just
Yeah.
Brother's got a bird. His bird died, I think, November. He had like a lovely bird. I forget what sort it was.
Yeah.
Now they've got a budgerigar.
A budgerigar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, all the time.
Noisy.
I don't know why I don't know why he had it. Didn't do a lot. Just used to sit on its perch
Yeah.
and make poo poo.
The ducks enjoyed it, so they're back in there.
Yeah, they're back in the water, you know.
You know, guys, because I've used so much. Oh my!
Ayaw ka. They made them fly.
That's unbelievable. Like even 2 ducks came.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for joining in with me as I fed the birds here and even the ducks.
Yeah.
So thank you birds for eating this food. I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah.
Oi. Careful. Iska.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope the seagulls and all the pigeons and the 2 ducks enjoyed their food for today. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope you enjoyed it once again. And I'll see you in another video. Stay safe.